Established in 1931, High Steel prides itself on being a strong foundation in the community and a family-oriented business rich in diversity. With over 90 years of experience, High Steel has been creating partnerships with our local CTC and colleges.
I was in CTC in intro, and a person came in from High asking for people to do a summer program. Went through HSU, High School University, got some certifications. Yeah, and I started working for them over the summer.
The High Steel University program is a way for High Steel to ensure that their employees refine their skills while offering numerous career paths and maintaining their role as innovative leaders in structural steel fabrication.
I train all the new hires that come in and also recertify everybody that has already worked here for numerous years.
We start by training new coworkers in introductory courses, what we call our core courses.
I didn't know how to weld, I didn't know how to do anything. And they kind of guided me the whole way all these years.
As they get more experience on the job training out in the shop, we'll bring them back, we'll give them advanced training to enhance their skills.
They didn't have High Steel University when I first started, so I kind of helped when it started to create some of the programs we have.
Everyone at High Steel works as a smooth operating machine from start to finish on a project.
I weld, I build, I run crane, I do all. It keeps everything fresh.
We've done projects down the Cooper River, we've done Hawk Falls, we did the Tappan Zee project. We do a lot of emergency work here, like I-95, where the fire came in, the bridge went down, they call us first. We'll be the first ones down to repair the bridge and get it up and moving.
With a commitment to safety and their workers, it's no wonder that High Steel employees love their jobs.
You know, I love welding. It's like an art. That's your name to your artwork and your quality weld that you put down.
We make large structures that we can go to, we can drive to them, we can drive on them, we can drive under them. We can take our families with us and we can point to that structure and say, I helped make that.
Trustworthy relationships, innovative leaders. High Steel,